Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Red Ranger from Power Rangers. Grab your pencil and let's begin. I'm going to start with a big square. So we're just going to draw a little square here. And then I'm going to divide it in half like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give this square a little bit of a shape at the bottom. So we're just going to bring it up a little bit here, and then of course up a little bit on this side as well. Now right here in the middle, I want you to draw an oval, but this oval has some sharp edges. So there's the oval, and then we're just going to go a little bit above this, and we're going to draw some goggles. So in this square, I'm going to go up, and it's going to be roughly about there, and I'm going to bring this up, bring it over, bring this up, bring it over. There we go. There we have it. Now on this side, I'm going to draw a little line, and I'm just going to draw a V. I'm going to draw a V, and then right here I'm just going to draw a triangle and a little triangle here as well. Good. Now we're going to do this a little bit better. Now from this height of the top of the triangles, I'm going to just bring sort of an oval shape there, or a curve there, upwards curve. I'm going to bring it to here, and I'm going to bring it there. There we go, and you're just going to connect them as well. Here it's going to look almost like little cat ears, but it's not. And then right here we're just going to draw a line around the goggles, and you're just going to bring it over like this, and do it rough. We're not going to go for perfection as we always do. You can draw a little mouth there, a little smile with little dimples here as well. Okay, good. Now we have this. We're just going to draw a little line down. Let's bring it about to there, and then I just want to draw a line there as well. Now what we're going to do, we're just going to draw a little box again, and from this little box we're going to go and we're going to draw arms. Now, so the first thing that I will do is I'm just going to draw a little arm down and another one down here as well. And then here I'm just going to sort of feel where the leg should go. So I think about there. And then of course we have some boots as well. So the legs go down here. Let's bring it to a point, and then we can just bring it up, and then here bring it up as well. So we're going to do this very simple. Now this I can bring a little bit higher, and we can divide it right there. Good. Here I'm just going to draw some gloves. We're going to go down, and we're just going to draw a little fist as well. There we go. Maybe just like this. Good. Now we can go and we can take our Sharpie. Let's try to draw it a little bit better. Now the first thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to go with the goggles. Here we go. And then right on top, I'm going to draw it wide. We're going to go in a bit narrower, wide again, wide, bit narrower, connect. And then we're just going to make a few triangles. This side, we're going to do it here as well. And of course here as well. And this will go all the way around. There we go. Underneath, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw the little smile, corners of the mouth, and then we're going to do that. And I'm going to do it a bit different. I'm going to do a little chin right here, and then from this side I'm going to draw the head, and then from this side I'm going to make it a bit wider. Now I'm going to draw the little triangles a little bit smaller. I'm going to draw a bigger triangle right there, small triangle, and then I'm going to do it a little bit bigger. I'm going to bring it, connect it, bring it over, connect it. Then here I'm going to do 2 lines up. I'm going to connect them, bring it back, and then we'll just bring 2 lines down there as well. We're going to go down to the body, and I'm going to change it now. So I'm not going to start at the head, just a little bit back. I'm going to give it sort of an hourglass shape, and I'll connect it. I'm going to give it a few folds. There we go. There's one and there's one, and I'm going to give it a bit of a shape now, maybe like this and there. I'm going to go and fold that in, and I'll fold this side in as well, and then I'm just going to bring this down like this, and then of course we're going to draw a few diamond shapes here, and I'm going to draw 2 diamond shapes here as well. There we go. I'm going to bring this around like this, and now I'm going to go and I'm going to finish the body here. Now I'm going to make it a bit more muscular, so I'm just going to do this and this right there, bring it down, and now I'm going to bring it even down a little bit farther, maybe like this, and then the other foot like this, and I'm just going to connect them. Right, now at the boots we have this diamond shapes again. And now we can just complete these arms. So there we go, and then on this side here as well. Now we're going to go and we're just going to make a diamond shape here on his chest, and then of course I'm just going to make 2 lines there, which is going to be white, and right here we can just draw the belt going around as well. And there's red ranger. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.